Munfu Prophet, what's up, what's up, what's up? First video on the new channel, fitted fashion, all that. Sneakers, hats, clothes, how to fit, all that kind of stuff. It's only right. The first, ooh, you know what I'm saying? The box open, I'm not gonna front, the box is open already. But that's because I had to get it hot out. But yeah, man, next couple of drops, quick little sneak peek, I'm about to give it to y'all first. Bam, we about to open the box up, see what we talking about. So this is the Day of the Dead pack. There's a Day of the Dead pack, Lids hat drop we got dropping. It's two different hats. It's a pinwheel hat and an all black hat two-tone, which is the one I got on. You see what I'm saying? Nice little Milwaukee Brewers. This is probably my favorite one. It's simple, I like it. These hats are clean. I will say I'm not the biggest fan of pinwheel hats. Y'all know that if you know me. Not the biggest fan at all. But I think the ones that I got are probably some of the best ones from the pack. And also these black ones, Day of the Dead, it's fire. But it's a vibe, we about to get into it, let's get it. So the first jump, Giants. I feel like this one, right? Let me make sure y'all can see the hat because there we go. Okay, bam. Giants. Good little side patch, 1949 side patch. Wait, I'm sorry, 1984 side patch, clean two-tone, teal under pink, Giants, big logo, classic. Now, flat Battermans are coming to Lids hat drop soon. The next couple of drops will all be flat baddies. I know y'all really go crazy over that for no reason, but yeah. So first hat, Giants, I think this is a banger, it's clean. You can't go wrong with a black two-tone. That's all day of the week. Second one, I'm gonna be honest with you. Between this one and between the one I have on my head is the ones that I'm gonna say are probably my top two of the pack. This pack had a lot. I would say there's probably a good 10 hats that I actually genuinely wanted from the black two-tone pack. I didn't get all of them, but on drop, I'm going for it. I'm going for it. Pittsburgh Pirates, Jack. The Jack Classic. We know Jack is good for that. Good little Pirates hat, script logo, two-tone, amazing All-Star Game patch. As you can see, the details in the patch are absolutely crazy. Two-tone action, y'all know white guts. Black guts are probably gonna make a return soon. Good little eyelet colors. This is a good hat, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. These hats, I don't know. It's gonna be up in the air. Some people gonna like it, some people not. Some people don't like the stupid fruity swag colors, some people do. For me, I'm a mix of both. I like classic stuff, but I also like twists. And this is a very good hook. I feel like this is a good Pirates hat. I don't know. The details on the pirate, I don't know why my camera's not focusing. No other time it does this until I do this video. But yeah, Pirates hat, fire. Now we off to the two-tone. These are the pinwheels. These to me are the best pinwheels that I feel like I picked. I feel like obviously everybody gonna think that they got the best picks, but for me, these two-tones are the ones that are elite. So Cubs, we got the good classic Cub, good classic Cub. Classic, you know, got the yellow behind, good embroidery, flat mixed with the puff. Pinwheel, nice patch. All-Star Game patch. Now I'm gonna say this. I use the All-Star Game patch in one of my hats that is coming soon. But yo, Cubs, bro, come on. Cubs is ridiculous. Two-tone, pink under. Got the little pinwheel action. Not a bad hat. I think it's all right. Second one. I'm a big fan of this logo. I don't know why. I feel like this to me is the best logo from Cleveland, but I had to go with the Cleveland. Not gonna say their name because disrespectful, but All-Star Game, ASG patch. That's, I think, the California All-Star Game. There's not a lot of patches that go with this logo, so sometimes it gets a little whack, but this is a good hat though. Good hat, good little script eye. I would probably say this is my favorite one from this one just because of the simplicity of it. I feel like when you see this out in public, you're going to be like, damn, what's that? Cool hat, cool hat, cool hat, cool, calm, and collective. Last but not least, this has been one of those logos that has recently grown on me. Shout out to Lids for making this one grow on me because it was the last few Lids hat drop hats and Lids hats that I feel like were the ones that really set this logo off. But That Miami Marlins, bruh. Oh my God. That ginormous logo. Good ASG patch. Obviously under visor, two-tone. I don't even know if you call this, it's like a three-tone, but yeah, that good pinwheel. This hat, it's a little 2005. You feel me? I'm not gonna front. It's a little 2005, but for me, I feel like it works. The nostalgia, the aspect of it works. The different colors, the mix of it, it works, bruh. Like, how could you deny that logo? Look at how ginormous this is. Look at the colors in the logo. The details of it are just ridiculous. I'm trying to keep the camera as focused as I can so y'all can see all the details, but overall, I think this hat is cracked. I think it's a good hat. I might as well show y'all the other pickups that I got from the last couple of drops as well. The Buzz Lightyear and the whatchamacallit. But this is the Minnesota Twins. Nice little all-star game patch. Had to get the Boston Red Sox. Y'all know I'm from props, so had to represent a little bit, I guess, even though I'm a Yankees fan. Diamondbacks, good hat. I like the big giant jumbo logo. World Championship patch. This is an underutilized patch. I don't see that patch very often. And then as y'all seen in pictures, I have the San Diego one as well. It gets a little washed out with the light and the thing like that just because from my window. And then I'll show y'all the Woody pack. So I got the cards, good little ASG patch. I like this patch, and also the detail with that, that's fire. Undeniably fire to me. Same thing with this. This was one of the ones I felt like I didn't know if I was gonna like or not, but Baltimore. Had to get the Baltimore Orioles. I felt like this was the risky one that I took in this pack. For show. This was definitely the risk taker, but I think it came out good. I think this was the one that I was the most unsure about how it would look in hand, but I definitely think it came out good. I think that the logo came out solid. Also, if you see the metallic on the side patch, that's fire too. And then last but not least, the Pirates. I think this was a good one, even with the black logo. The black logos to me was the ones I didn't like as much. I do like, like the red, the Boston, fire, but this is one of the greatest patches in baseball history, so we're never gonna do that. But this one right here, this was a heater, man. But yeah, first video, drop a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna drop probably every day if I can. Show y'all some heat, show y'all some early heat from LIDS, and not just LIDS. I'm gonna be showing all kinds of stuff. Also sneaker matchups, sneaker outfits, all that kind of stuff, man. Munfu Profit, thank you for tuning in. Drop a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't. Goodbye.